Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the B-Qtech wireless earbuds. Now let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like. Oh, they can, and so it comes in this little plastic wrap case here. Here's the front of the box. Let me get that good shot of this for you guys. And here's the rear of the box. And this is a noise canceling earbuds. This is just a card from the company, useless. These are noise canceling earbuds. They are waterproof, and it's supposed to have 5-hour talk time. Here's your instruction manual booklet. All the fun and exciting reading you can never have. Your USB cable here. Looks like the little mini USB connector. It's a small cable, it's not that long. And you get some extra earbuds here. It looks like different sizes, it seems. Here. Nothing else, that's it. And then the box, these are the earbuds here, and this is the charging unit, and the USB connection goes right here. I don't know if you guys can even see that. There it is, right there. And the earbuds are at each end. You just pulled it out, it just goes right in there like that. And there's a little connect. I don't know if you guys can see it. That it charges. There's like a connection, little pins that sends the power to these little earbuds here when you're charging them. Right there. And it's like a little magnetic connection. When you put it in, it's like it goes right in, a little magnetic connection here. And these, when you do activate them, it connects automatically. You don't have to do, and all you have to do is make sure your Bluetooth is on your phone and turn them on, and they will connect automatically to your phone. Okay guys, I got a phone out, and you can see it's not on here. Let me get this in the shot here. The headphones are not on here. It'll say S3 for the headphones. They're not showed up here. So what you have to do, you have to get the two here, and you have to press the right and left at the same time for about 5 seconds, it says, and that will bring it into pairing mode. You can see the lights flashing. It's in pairing mode now. Now I can have the phone, the scan for it, look to pick up the signal here. And there you go. Right there you can see S3. That is the headphones. Is S3. And then it tells me the battery percent, 60% battery remaining on these headphones. But they're now paired. to the Bluetooth connection, as you guys can see. Okay. And they supposedly, these have a 4 to 5 hour talk time on them. And I'll test that out. See the length, how long I can talk before the battery dies. And I'm going to test out the volume of the batteries, all that good stuff. And through the great mysteries of video, you guys will learn about this all in a few seconds. That'll take me a week worth of tests, so let the magic continue. Alright guys, so what is my final review of these? It's been a week now, and you guys can barely hear that, but when you have these in, I put them in and I turned them up to max. It does not get that loud. I don't know if it's some kind of built-in kind of safety for the volumes on these, but it does not get that loud. I wish it was louder. Let's just put it that way. It does not get too loud. And one thing that I like though, it has good bass and treble. You can hear the bass and treble real good on these. Real nice. It picks them up real good. But when it comes to the higher volume levels, it just won't go any higher than. I wish you guys could hear them, you know, to understand what I'm talking about. It's just like the volume is so low, you know, and I've maxed the volume out and it still was pretty low. But that's a negative. That's the first negative anyway. Then the second negative I have, it was stating that it had 4 to 5 hours of talk time, but it was really 2 to maybe 3 hours of talk time. So that's another negative I have on that. But those are my two biggest problems. The volume of these don't get high enough, and the talk time is not as long as I wish it would be. Now, I did put them in water. They are waterproof, but I only kept them in there for like, I think the maximum was like 10 minutes, and they still worked. I didn't test them further than that, but these are starter headphones, guys. These are not top of the line. So if you want something that's top of the line, get something else. These are starter headphones, like to get you started in the wireless Bluetooth headphone. Get you started, get you, you know, your first set. You want to start out, I would recommend it. But if you want something with a higher volume, longer talk time, I would suggest a different model. But if you're just starting out, yeah, I'd say go ahead and get this, you know, to start yourself out. But if not, if you have the money, I'd recommend getting a higher model, you know. So, but if you're just starting out, I suggest you get one of these. Also, I noticed that when I was setting this Bluetooth connection up, that this one actually, let me get to my page here. This actually will pop up. Let me show you guys. You guys can see that there's S3 and there's S3. You have to pair both of them. I paired one when I first set it up, and only one side came on. So make sure you pair both of these, or you only get one. So pair both S3 that pop up on your phone. Okay, I made a mistake of only doing one of them, and one side worked. So make sure you get both of them scanned in when you set up your connection, okay? But overall, for a beginner, Bluetooth, get you started, I would recommend this for beginners. If you want to get something more expensive, higher quality, higher volume, and better talk time, I'd suggest something else. But if you're just starting out, you can go ahead and get this to start out with, okay? Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope it was informative, helpful, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye-bye.